Dear friends, today's topic is how to set a banner image for YouTube channel. Let us go to the YouTube channel. So in the browser, Google browser, let us click YouTube. Then in the YouTube, let us go to the right top side. This icon, just click it. So this is the channel which I am going to change the banner image, right? So go to YouTube Studio. So after YouTube Studio, go to customization. At the left side there is an option called customization. So in customization, you click it, then go to branding. Click this second option, branding. So now in branding, just go to banner image. Actually, you may not have set the banner image. If such case also, procedure is same. I have already set which I don't like, so I'm just changing this banner image. So I'm trying to change the banner image. Click change banner image. So I'm selecting a image, JPG image. Click open. But when you try to set images, the images must be at least 1024 into 576 pixels, which is a must. So in order to do that, most of the pictures that we have or images that we have or that we take using mobile photo or any camera, it will not have this type of pixel. So how to get this customized pixel, I will explain you in this video. Okay, so that is the main importance of this video. How to get the correct banner image, right? Exact banner image as per this pixel size, that is 1024 into 576 pixel. So click retry. 1 minute, wait, let me cancel it now. So let me create a image that is at least 2048 into 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So in order to get this banner image for YouTube channel, let us go to new tab. In the new tab, enter pexels.com, PEXEL, pexel.com or pexels.com, sorry, pexels.com. Then click enter. Okay, in this I want to set a nature background. Okay, select any image that you want. Okay, lot many images are there. These are all copyright free images. I want to set this. So I want to make it customized, right? When you click onto this image, then go to the right top side. If you click free download, it will automatically download it, but don't do it. What you have to do is, 1 minute, go to this button, right? This down arrow button. Then actually when you try to download this image, this original image is of pixel size 5184 into 3456. Actually what you require is 2048 into 1152 pixels. So what you do is just click this button, come down. This is large, this is medium, this is small, this is custom size. So click the custom size and type the size what you want. So here we want 2048. So I have typed 2048 by how much you want, 1152. So 1152. So this custom size I am just downloading it for free. So after selecting this custom size and entering the custom pixel size, click free download. Only then save the image. Okay, click allow. Okay, now just enter it as banner image, then save it. Right, now close it. Let us close this. Now come back to this YouTube Studio banner image, click change button, go and select the banner image, click open. Right, now this is the image that we have downloaded, and this is the portion where it will be viewable on all devices. Mobile you can see this portion of the image, desktop you can see this portion, and also on TV. So this is commonly viewable on all devices. And next comes desktop. In desktop you can able to see this type. In whole TV you can able to see the entire image. Right, so viewable on TV, this is viewable on desktop, then this is viewable on all devices. So this is the banner image and size, exact size we are getting. Right, now once you, and you can also adjust if the image is up and down, but exactly since we have created the image using pexels.com, so exact image, banner image we are getting. So after getting this, click done. Now this banner image has been set. Okay, after setting this banner image, do not forget to click the publish button. Click publish button. Now changes published, go to channel. Okay, now this is the banner image. Nice. Okay, so in any YouTube channel that you have, it is very easy for you to create such type of banner image immediately. Right, on the spot you can able to create the particular size of this image. Right, that is the size is of image pixels is of 2048 into 1152 pixels. Okay, so it looks nice. Okay, so hope you understood how to create a banner image and fix it in our YouTube channel. Thank you friends, hope you understood how to create a banner image exactly, right, for a YouTube channel. Thank you friends, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.